On these long voyages, you've got to find something to pass the time. The thing about these puzzles is, well, they're not always easy, are they? Some pieces are obvious, and some, well, tricky. And it's a question of trial and error. And of course, you don't get a complete picture until every piece is in the right place. What's this got to do with you? Well, don't go away for the next few minutes. Hello, welcome to Alert. In these publications, we discuss human element issues in the maritime industry with marine experts from around the world. In this issue, we're going to consider the human element jigsaw. So let's look at some of the pieces, the component parts. Some components or systems may be fully automated, but may still require some input from the seafarer, setting tolerances, for example, or responding to alarms. Other systems require direct seafarer input for their operation and maintenance. Then there are systems that require humans to interact with other humans, systems that are driven by outside influences, such as the environment, other humans, or technology. And in all this, seafarers from a variety of cultural backgrounds have to work and live harmoniously with one another.
Integrating the human element into this complex system is a dynamic process, and it must be kept under review throughout the life cycle of the ship to take account of, for example, changes in its operating pattern, system updates, improved technology and new regulation. Human factors engineering takes into account the interests and needs of the crew, especially in respect of the 6 abilities, that's habitability, maintainability, workability, controllability, manoeuvrability and survivability, but also occupational health and safety and system safety. And of course, the human resources process must consider the mix, number and competency requirements for the crew.
Too many insurance claims result from a lack of basic seamanship skills. Human error is a difficult area to come to grips with, but crew competence is an issue that has to be addressed. It is plain economic sense for ship owners and operators to maintain a high level of crew continuity and competence. They can achieve that, on the one hand, by providing seafarers with secure employment and taking human factors into account, including recruitment, health, training, and general awareness of best practice on board. And on the other hand, by investing in high-quality risk management systems. And what about leadership skills? We've already highlighted what can happen as a result of poor seamanship skills, but poor decisions made by a ship's master are just as capable of causing loss of life, damage to the ship and its cargo, pollution of the marine environment, and permanent damage to the company's reputation. Everybody likes to be treated reasonably and fairly. Seafarers are no exception. If they feel secure and well taken care of, the chances are they'll give 110% to the company. What's needed then is a climate of trust, but that's something that has to be worked at. Worked at by the designers of ships and their operations, making sure that there is a continuous focus on enhancing the quality of work and improving onboard living conditions. Worked at by ship owners and operators, focusing on developing a climate of trust between them and the seafarers they employ. Everybody working together to promote the human face of shipping. So, pulling it all together, getting all the right pieces in the right place. Ultimately, the aim is to balance the technological and human aspects of the ship's operations to ensure the safety of the ship, its cargo, and a safe, happy and healthy working and living environment for the crew. And that's a jigsaw definitely worth getting right.
That's all for this programme, but you can look at this and other issues of Alert on the website. Take care and hope to see you soon.